Hi children, good morning. Take your workbook ma. Page number 36. Here see children, safety. This is your EVS class children. Lesson name is safety. This is your workbook, page number 36. Name any two safety rules which have to be followed at home. See children, what are the safety rules at home? Are you remember? Write down starting first one. Never, N-E-V-E-R, never. You little finger gap, write down P down letter, L-A-Y, play. You again little finger gap, write down W-I-T-H, with. Never play with. S-H-A-R-P, sharp, P down letter children. Objects, O-B-J-E-C-T-S, full stop. Never play with sharp objects. Never play with sharp objects. Next, second one. Never, N-E-V-E-R, never. Run, R-U-N, run. D-O-W-N, down. T-H-E, the, down the stairs. S-T-A-I-R-S, stairs. Never run down the stairs. Never run down the stairs. Next, second one. On the road. Write down starting onwards. A-L-W-A-Y-S, always. You little finger gap ma. Write down walk, W-A-L-K, walk. O-N, on. T-H-E, the, walk on the footpath. F-O-O-T, foot. P-A-T-H, path. Full stop, footpath. Always walk on the footpath. Next, second one. Never, capital N-E-V-E-R, never. P-L-A-Y, play, P down letter children. On the road. O-N, on. T-H-E, the, R-O-A-D, road. Full stop. Always walk on the footpath. Never play on the road. Third one, at school. At school. What are the safety rules at school, children? Yes. Never fight with other children and never talk to strangers. Right, first one. Capital N-E-V-E-R, never. F-I-G-H-T, fight. F-I-G-H-T, fight. W-I-T-H, with. W-I-T-H, with. O-T-H-E-R, other. Children. What is the children spelling? Yes. C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N, children, full stop. Never fight with other children. Next, second one. N-E-V-E-R, never. T-A-L-K, talk. T-O-2. S-T-R-A-N. G-E-R-S, strangers. Never talk to strangers. See once again, never fight with other children. Are you writing? Did you finish, ma? Write neatly, write fast. Never talk to strangers. Next. Fourth one, in a bus. In a bus. What are the safety rules when we are traveling in a bus? Yes. Never get out of a running bus. Board the bus at bus stop. Write down, children. N-E-V-E-R, never. G-E-T, get. U, little finger gap, ma. Out, O-U-T, out. O-F, off. A, running bus, R-U-N-N-I-N-G, running. B-U-S, bus, full stop. Never get out of a running bus. Next, second one. Boat, B-O-A-R-D, boat. T-H-E, the. B-U-S, bus. A-T, at. B-U-S, bus. S-T-O-P, stop, full stop. Board the bus at bus stop. Never get out of a running bus. Board the bus at bus stop. Next one. When flying a kite. What are the safety rules? Already we learned, children, when flying a kite. Yes. Write down. N-E-V-E-R, never. N-E-V-E-R, never. F-L-Y, Y down letter, children, here. A kite, K-I-T-E, kite. K small letter, like this only you have to write down. K small letter. I-N, in. T-H-E, the. R-A-I-N, rain, full stop. Never fly a kite in the rain. When rain is coming, we should not fly the kite. Next one. Do not use short thread. D-O, do. N-O-T, not. Do not. U-S-E, use. S-H-A-R-P, sharp. Thread. T-H-R-E-A-D, thread, full stop. Never fly a kite in the rain. Do not use sharp thread. Next one. In a moving train. In a moving train, what are the safety rules? Yes. Never stand at the door. Never. N-E-V-E-R, never. S-T-A-N-D, stand. Never stand. A-T, at. T-H-E, the. D-O-O-R, door, full stop. Never stand at the door. Next one. N-E-V-E-R, never. P-U-T, put. Y-O-U-R, your. H-A-N-D-S, hands. O-U-T, out. S-I-D-E, side, outside, full stop. Never stand at the door. Never put your hands outside. See, children, once again I will recall it. Write neatly. At home, never play with sharp objects. Never run down the stairs. On the road, always walk on the footpath. Never play on the road. At school, never fight with other children. Never talk to strangers. Next, in a bus, never get out of a running bus. Board the bus at bus stop. When flying a kite, never fly a kite in the rain. Do not use sharp thread in a moving train. Never stand at the door. Never put your hands outside. Okay children, next page. Write neatly. Write neatly children, without any mistakes, and give little finger gap. And give little finger gap children. Okay, next page. Here see children, next page. Mark true or false. Write true if the sentence is true. Write in that blank true. If the sentence is wrong or false, rewrite it and make it true. Okay children. Now see first sentence. We should walk on the left side of the road. This sentence is right or wrong? Yes or no? We should walk on the left side only or right side? Yes, left side only. So this sentence is true. So leave this line children empty and write down in this blank true. Capital T. Write down first one only T. Capital T. T means what? True. Next second one. We should stand at the door while the train is moving. We should stand at the door while the train is moving. This is correct sentence. No. What is the correct sentence children? Never stand at the door. So write down in this blank first F and rewrite this sentence correctly. Never. N-E-V-E-R. Never. S-T-A-N-D. Stand. Never stand. A-T-H. Give little finger gap ma. T-H the. D-O-O-R. Door. Never stand at the door. Okay children. Next. We should keep our hands outside the window. Yes, this is correct sentence. When we traveling in a bus or in a train, we should keep our hands or fingers or head outside the window. No, it is very dangerous. This is wrong sentence. This is false. So write down first in blank F, capital F. Why? Because this is false sentence. And rewrite the sentence correctly in this line. Never keep. N-E-V-E-R. Never. Little finger gap. K-E-E-P. Keep. P down letter. And again give little finger gap. Y-O-U-R. Your. Little finger gap. H-A-N-D-S. Hands. Give again finger gap ma. Don't forget that one. Outside. O-U-T. Out. S-I-D-E. Side. Outside. Once again. Never keep your hands outside. Okay children. Never keep your hands outside. See the next one. We should not play on the road. Yes, it is correct sentence. Should not play on the road. Why? Because vehicles are coming children on the road. Yes or no? It is very dangerous. So should not play on the road. It is true sentence. Write first in this bracket capital T and simply leave this line. Why? Because this is correct sentence. You have to, you know. Okay. Next, we should play with sharp objects. Yes, we should play with sharp objects. No, it is very dangerous. Yes. So write down first in this bracket capital F, because this is false sentence, and rewrite the sentence correctly in this line children. Write down capital W-V, W-E-V, W-E-V, finger gap, S-H-O-U-L-D, should, S-H-O-U-L-D, should, N-O-T, not, should not, play, P-L-A-Y, play, with, WITH, with,